keep going in here and see what it takes to get this guy back in operation. Get it back in operation. So I cleaned up the bench a little bit, cleaned up the shop, got the heat going, and here we'll walk around, just kind of give ourselves a little preliminary look at this thing. And we're living by the very, switch there, I don't know if that's gonna be for fuel.
This is the passenger side. This is the driver side.
And